Oregon. We're doing a road trip down from California all the way up to Portland, Oregon. It's going to take 3 days because we're blocking it out. We are currently in the valley area.
I think we're about to hit Grapevine.
Anyways, I'm going to take you along the whole entire journey. We are going from 76 degrees here all the way up to 30 some odd degrees, and we're going to be getting some rain and maybe even some, what is it called?
Slush.
Slushy snow. I don't know, but we'll take you along the whole way. So foggy here. Literally our temperature dropped from 71 degrees and it's now 54 degrees. What? Okay. Yeah. This is cool. Let me do a little quick tour of the little kitchenette here. It has a microwave, which is really nice. It has a stovetop with 2 burners, utensils, pots and pans, dishwasher, and a little fridge. Yeah? Help us getting it.
Thank you.
Okay, do you guys want bagels? There's juice. Yeah. Good morning. We are here in Fresno. We just woke up, had breakfast, and now we're getting ready to get back on the road. We are going to be driving up to Ashland, which is about like, I think 9 hours or so from here. It's the border of Oregon and California. And we're supposed to be expecting rain tonight around 7 p.m. So we're trying our best to get there before the rain begins. But I want to let you know that if you guys are here in Fresno, Campus Point Hyatt House, and this one is really, really nice, especially if you have a family. There isn't a lot of foot traffic noise outside, which is great. And then this is a pretty new hotel. It literally just opened like 9 days ago. So all the amenities are still really nice and new. We just woke up, so don't mind the mess of the beds, but this is a very nice place. We got upgraded to the one with the little kitchenette, and it was amazing, especially because we brought food to microwave. For the regular rooms, they do also have a little mini, they have a microwave and a mini fridge, but the kitchenette allows you to just kind of have more space. We had like a little island area that we were able to eat on too, so this is the Holiday Inn Express. Got the room with 2 queens, and this is really spacious. I love that they have a microwave and a mini fridge here and a little area for all your stuff. There's a closet and a little TV. It's really spacious here. It's really nice. Good morning. This was a great sleep. The walls are a little thin, but we got here safely, which is the best thing. We're now going to get some breakfast. Breakfast opens at 6:30, and then we're going to be back on the road. How does it make it? Yeah, I'm going to get a plate. Right here. Fish. Oh, look at that! Look at that! You see it?
Uh-huh. Oh, that's gonna make it flatten.
Yeah. We're so amazed by a pancake machine.
Oh no, look. There's like brown thingies over.
Wow! Oh, that's amazing. There's the second.
Up a little.
We are packed in the car and now we're off to Portland. It's going to be another 4.5 hour drive without charge, so probably 6 hours with charge and little breaks here and there. But we're so excited to finally get to our destination. Let's go.
Can I see?
No. Good morning. It is really foggy and pretty cold here in Portland. We woke up at the Regency Hyatt in Portland. We were really excited for the breakfast here, but it's actually closed for the holiday week, which is a little bit of a disappointment, but they allowed us to get breakfast from the Breakfast Mart, which it's like pre-made heated food. So we're going to make the most of that. Let's go.
And diagonal.
All right. Okay. Okay, let's go over here.
We didn't go where I wanted to. I too. Oopsie. He came.
Did he come?
Yeah.
He did?
Yeah. Let's look at this.
Okay. Let me see. Wow.
I see screws here. Those screws held it on. Only grows on one side.
All right. Let's get everyone's stockings. Kylie. Harmony and Hadabaji. For Ram and Yvonne. For Sonia and James.
Thank you.
Good morning from Portland. This is our last day here. It's actually our travel day. So we're actually going to pack up here, go to our family home, and say our goodbyes, pack up our last minute things, and then we're going to start heading down to California. We have a stop in Medford, and then we have a stop in Fresno. Then we'll be at home. Hopefully the weather is nice to us. We do see that there's some rain, and I did see that some parts of the road is flooded. So hopefully there are some rerouting on the map and the direction so that we don't hit any weird pockets of water. But overall, it should be a smooth day. So let's go. Fully stopped. Okay, thank you for the McDonald's.
Here you go. Is there anything else I
Thank
could get you guys?
This is great. Thank you so much.
Check it.
We got a Big Mac.
Have you ever had
Wow,
one of
I've never had one before. And I was told to get it with extra pickles, so yum. Here it is. Take a look.
those? Oh, this, yeah.
Now turn right onto East Cypress Avenue.
Whoa. These are some crispy nuggets. It's so good. Good morning from Medford, Oregon. We stayed here at the Holiday Inn and it was really nice. I actually think that the beds here are better, maybe even more comfortable than the ones at Hyatt locations. Overall, it was a nice and comfortable stay.
Fresh. Oh my. Wow, it's snowing. It really looks like snow.
Whoa.
Wow!
Wow.
Now take it.
Bay Bridge Road.
Is it Sunday today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where'd the sun go? We're on our last leg of our travels back home. It's been a long journey to go up to Portland, hang out with our family and friends up there, and now we're on our way back. It's been 3 days of travel going down. We are like 3 hours from our home, so we're so excited to be back. Go through it. We're out of the fog. Right here.
Wow.
Dun, 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 dun. We made it back. I'm so excited to be home. We are going to unpack and eat some lunch. Overall, this was a great trip. I hope you enjoyed watching it too.